Whoosh. Okay guys, so to start our fish pie we have a couple of lovely cauliflowers. So we're just going to chop them up a little bit and then pop them into our blender. Okay, and bosh, just like that. You want it super duper fine, much finer than the cauliflower rice. So yeah, we're just going to strain that now. And once you strain it all through, you push it through again, you still get some more liquid out. And bosh, here we go, it's just come out the microwave. Whoa, steam! So yeah, just gonna stir it around and then give it another nuke in the microwave. Okay guys, so here we go, here's our fish we got for our fish pie. We've got some small tiger prawns here, some white prawns here. We got a yellowtail piece of salmon, and we got some pangasius chunks. Okay, they're frozen ones. Okay, so here's our prawn. You're just gonna put in your cocktail stick at the back like so, and there you go. Here is the shit shoot. Ta-da. Okay, so we're just going to add a splash of water, some cream, and we're just going to wait for this to come to a simmer. Here's the yellowtail piece of salmon. Just going to take these fillets out here. Here's all the fish I've separated off the bone and de-skinned as well. I'm just going to spoon in some of the liquid in here. I'm just going to pour a tad more in. As you can see, it's thickening up nicely. You want to keep mixing around because you don't want any scrambled parts. Some camembert cheese. Using about this amount, probably about 70 grams chopped up, and we are just going to add that into our sauce. And then put your cauliflower after it's cooled in the middle. We're just going to put some of it in like so. Squeeze. There you go. This is how it comes out. Nice sort of doughy-ish texture. Just going to add some of that in like that. And here is our cauliflower. All those massive heads just to this. Butter, cream, some more camembert. A couple of spring onion. Manually chop up these. We also have some parsley, which we are going to chop up as well. Add in our prawns. You don't want to put them in earlier because they get a bit hard and chewy, so we're just going to add them right towards the end. Okay, so just pop them in there and give them a mix around. The tuna, the yellowtail, the salmon, and the pangasius, and we're going to add that as well. And let's give that a good old mix around. Oh yeah. And here we go, we have our parsley and spring onions. Mix that in. Pour in the mixture now, like so. Push it down nice and firmly. We're just going to spoon that on top now, like so. And now, just to finish it off, we're going to grate some lovely Gouda cheese on the top. And yes, it is going everywhere, I know. And this has got to be the best keto recipe for fish pie on the internet. Now we're just going to put it under the grill, as we don't need to cook it because it's already been cooked in the pan. So we're just going to heat that through, melt the cheese, and get a lovely top on that. Check this out. Cheesy topping, a lovely, beautiful fish pie.